In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can open dispute on AliExpress. Now, this can be done on the app or on the website with version. Okay, now you can do the same steps on your phone. You want to click my orders, you want to find all your AliExpress orders. As you can see, these are my AliExpress orders. Now, to open a dispute, what you need, guys, is you need to click here. As you can see, let me find a product here so that I can open a dispute. Okay, now, okay, I'm going to go to my other AliExpress account. I'm going to see if I have some products that I have purchased. Okay, this product, as you can see, now you want to click on order details. After you find the product, you want to click on order details, and you want to click on returns and refunds here. Now, after that, you want to then select the if you haven't received item received in part on. If you haven't received your package, click on package not received, and here select the reason, maybe still in transit or whatever, and then you want to click on you don't have to upload any picture or video, by the way. Okay, you don't have to upload anything here. So okay, so it says here the package not received, but if the package is, it doesn't let me, guys, open the dispute because maybe this package has been received. Okay, let me check if this package has been received or not. Okay, it says here the item was delivered. That's why they don't allow me, guys, to open the dispute. As you can see at the very bottom, it's buried. Okay, it's not allowed. I'm not able to click submit, guys, here. Now, for you, if you haven't received your package, you will be able, guys, to click on submit, and after 2 days you will receive your refund. Okay, now if you received it but it's damaged or something like that, you just need to select received in part or in full, and full, and then click item doesn't match the description or damaged or whatever. Item arrived already damaged, and then you want to select the reason and you select your application type. Click refund and return and refund, or refund only. I would go with refund only. Okay, this is a trick. And then yeah, that's it. You want to click on submit, but you will have to enter here the video, record a small video or a picture of the product, and then click submit. Okay, that's it, guys. That's why if you open the not received keys, you don't have to enter here. You don't have to upload the picture or the product of the item, because you don't have it. You didn't receive the item. But if you have received it, it's damaged or something, you will have to enter here. You will have to upload the picture or the video. Okay, I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Yeah, drop a like, and see you guys next video.